There is no single documentation tool that lets me build the entirety of thing all at once.
Obviously, I'll not take names.
Documentation is still stuck in the 90s.
First time we actually saw it end to end, we couldn't believe.
Multiple documentation tools are now found dead. A startup claiming to have built the world's best AI documentation platform is under investigation.
You can delete that one.
Let's establish something first. Documentation tools already exist, yet you declared a war. What did you see that the rest of the market missed?
The missing angle was just intelligence. Most of the players are literally just screenshot takers.
The amount of time that essentially saves anyone is in the range of 10 to 15 to 20%, not more than that.
Let me guess. You slapped an AI button on a screenshot tool and called it innovation?
No. It's not like you can just give it to an LLM and ask it to figure out format.
The first is an AI document writer. You take a basic recording, something on Salesforce, be it your own application. We actually create very contextual steps, summarize each of the steps, format the document intelligently. So you essentially get like a ready-to-ship document.
Well, that sounds like generic AI slop that no serious business will actually use.
You could actually now feed in your existing documents that you have already built inside your enterprise.
Take a simple document and the AI creates a template out of it, considering all the brand guidelines, font, color, headings, subheadings, logos, and the style. And it creates a template which can be used across documents, and you can create multiple templates for multiple use cases.
Let's say I throw in a random Zoom recording. How does your system process that?
We have built a vision-led workflow layer.
We take context clues from your recordings. We can detect the clicks you've made in the video.
And then convert that into relevant steps and screenshots.
So what's the response been like?
Customers are getting shocked. Where was this tool all this time when I was making these documents myself?